Let's make a Blackberry Daiquiri, number 4. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding my lime juice into the shaker. I'm going to put 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Then my blackberry syrup, and I do make my own blackberry syrup. The recipe will be linked down below if you want to check it out. Also, I'll be in the video if you want to follow that link there. 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. Next, 2 to 3 blackberries. Washed, of course, fresh, of course. I'm going to drop those into the shaker. Now I'm going to grab my muddler. Now that I have my muddler, I'm going to muddle those ingredients together. And in the case of blackberries, you kind of want to squish them. So, I'll see you in a moment. Now that my blackberries are muddled, I'm going to set my muddler aside. I'm going to get my rum. My muddler is going to roll closer to me because it likes being near me. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. Set both of those aside, or in front of me. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Now, because of the muddled fruit in there, I am going to double strain. Someday I'll get good at this tapping thing. Set this aside. And garnish. Traditional garnish for a daiquiri is going to be a lime wheel, which is what I'm using today. Because it's a blackberry daiquiri, you can certainly use some blackberries if you'd like. But I think this is enough for now. And there you have it, a Blackberry Daiquiri, number 4. Drink with good spirits.